In the last video, we learned how to create a pandas data frame from a Python dictionary. In this one, I'm going to show you how to create a pandas data frame by importing data in a CSV file. The sample data that we're going to use here is called countries.csv. It contains information about countries and their basic demographics for each year, years ranging from 1952 to 2007 for every 5 years. So I'm going to show you how to import this data as a pandas data frame and plot it using matplotlib. As usual, we need to first import pandas as PD and pyplot as POT. To import our CSV data, countries.csv, first make sure that this Jupyter notebook file is in the same directory as countries.csv. Then use pd.readcsv to import this data as a pandas data frame. And you can use a tab completion here to input the file name. So just press tab after typing in a few characters. Let's store this in a new variable called data, and let's check what's inside. You can see that we have the data from countries.csv as we expected. To check the content of the data, you can also write data.head, which gives us the first 5 rows of the data frame. Now, let's say we want to plot how GDP per capita has changed over time in Afghanistan. To do that, we need to isolate the data about Afghanistan from the data variable. To select the country column, you can write data, square brackets, country, as we saw earlier, or you can also write data.country. Either syntax does exactly the same thing. Using this and Boolean indexing, you can select only the data about Afghanistan with data, square brackets, data.country equals Afghanistan. Let's store this in a variable called Afghanistan, and we're going to plot it with plt.plot afghanistan.year, comma, afghanistan.gdp per capita. And that's how to import data from a CSV file using pandas and plot it using matplotlib. In the next module, we'll examine how and when to use histograms.